I am Kensie, and I chose an Elephant Piggie book today. Today, I'm going to be reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Next time I'll read this one, or this one, or this one. So, let's begin. This story is something to sneeze at. Pigs make me sneeze. It says, pigs make me sneeze. This story is something to sneeze at. Kind of the page there. I want to... Yes! Uh-oh, I think he's gonna sneeze. What? A hat? See? I think he's gonna sneeze right now. Wait. Just look at Joe's eye. And look at Piggie. Look, a ball, a swim hat. Choo! Oh, look, he just blew Piggie off her feet. Look, it's just like, look, wings just blew her off her feet. One big achoo. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know achoo! Oh, look, he just bounced Piggie off her feet like she did a cartwheel. Like in the beginning, like she did a cartwheel. I cannot stop. Achoo! Look, she just bounced Piggie off of her feet again. Oh, look over there. Yeah, so dizzy of his sneezing and lifting her off her feet like she's flying. Sneezing. Oh no! Just look at her. Even more dizzy. And then less dizzy. Look. Oh. Wait, where did you just get that tissue from? Huh? What's that? Oh, he might have got it from his pocket. That's very clever. What if? Oh, just look at him. And look at Piggie. Looks like he doesn't have an eye, but... What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Hey, just look at him and look at her. Wait a minute. How did he just bounce her up so fast? She was like... I feel like it went and then bounced her up to the sky like she flew, but upside down, and with her tongue sticking out there. What if you tried to sneeze very softly? Sorry. Look, see, and here, look, so she. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Look, he's just like a guy and just like thinking of a mission or something like, or solving a problem. And then look at it. It looks like an iPad or or something else, whatever you could think of. Oh, what's that? Oh yeah, it also looks like a peanut. You look at Piggie, she's just like, what? That's impossible. How can pigs make you sneeze? Or he might have allergies. Let's find out. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Look at him just staring at Piggie. And look at him. No, do not speak. Look at them. It is. It is too late. Aya! Look, he's just like that. Like you forgot something. Look, it kind of looks like an arrow, see? Huh? What's that? Oh yeah, it actually does. And look at Piggie, she's just like, think. I don't want to be like that. I don't want to. I don't want to go there. And then look, she's like, take cover. Oh, look, she's just wearing a safety helmet, I think. I don't even know what that is. True. Goodbye. Aww. Look. It's like he's just doing a fancy like, oh, true, like that. Oh, poor Piggie. Sniff. Well, look, the doctor's noticed him just walking around crying. Are you okay, Joe? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Look. It's so funny. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggie is a pig. Or like he's just like looking angry, and look like that. Look at his jaw, and then look how tiny his eyes are. It's just like a tiny speck. And then look at the cat. He's like, Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo! Just look at the cat and the thermometer. Oh, look how high it is. What's that? Oh yeah, he might have a fever too. Just wait a second. I just need a toothpaste. Right now, cats make me sneeze too. Thud. Look, he just got into the ground. And it was like, right now, cats make me sneeze too. And then he just died to the ground like he fainted. What? Why is his hand like that? I don't know. Maybe he's waving his hand like this. do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. Oops, I showed the picture. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. Oh, look at him. What? Like, get your attention, like you have a paw squeaking, and then the dog just pays attention, like. I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Look, he just straightened out his tail, like a hitting thing. Why is he so happy he's sick? Huh? What's that? Oh yeah, he might be happy that Piggie that he's not allergic to pigs. Yeah, that's a clever idea too. Piggie, great news! Oh look, he just spin the doctor around like and then he just ran off. I have a cold. Good for you. Look, now Piggie's sick. Great now. And that is the end. Well, good night. I hope you enjoyed this story by Kensie.